friends! I just finished up an awesome Zoom meeting where we started learning about the Arctic. The Arctic is a land filled with ice, and these tall mountains made of snow turned into ice called glaciers, where animals live. And glaciers kind of move all around very slowly, and animals live on them and into the water, and they live on the ice blocks in the Arctic. It's really cold all the time. And it's a super cool place to live with lots of cool animals. And so we're going to learn about that today. But we're also going to learn about how, because some people are not protecting the environment, it's getting kind of hot in the Arctic, and what that means for the animals that live there. Okay? So to do this project, you need a bowl of water. It can be blue. Mine is blue. You need some ice. And you also need some creatures. I don't really have any creatures, so I'm using this snowman. All right, guys, let's get going. So first, you need a bowl filled with water. And then you can decorate it with whatever you want to. But also make sure, to use ice. So I'm going to put my big block of ice in there. A bigger block of ice will be even better. It's a bigger home for the animals to live on. So I'm going to put my little animal down, my snowman. Look, do you see he's resting right on top of the ice? I also have this little guy. He doesn't really live in the Arctic, but we're going to pretend he's a penguin. Do you see them? All happy in their nice Arctic home. Now that's the whole project for right now. The rest of it involves you waiting. Take the bowl and go set it by a window. And then in a few minutes or a few hours, come back and see what happened to the home for your Arctic creatures. I don't know what's going to happen, but when you see what happens, come back and tell me. And then we can talk about why it being so hot outside is not so great for the Arctic animals. And animals that live in the Arctic are penguins and polar bears and sometimes Arctic foxes. And then there's narwhals and there are orca whales. The narwhals are the ones with the horn. And the orcas are black and white. And so many other cool animals that call this place home and that they need it to all stay ice. So we're going to talk about why maybe getting warm outside is not so great. Let me know what happens with your project. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.